Hello, I'm Chef Steve Crellin. In this section, I will be talking about the soda. The soda is most popular in quick service sandwich coffee shop locations. The soda gives you the ability to expand your menu tremendously, making it possible to toast sandwiches and add new day parts. It specializes in toasting, browning, and crisping foods evenly and consistently up to 12 times faster than ever before, with quality results every time. As we know, throughput directly affects the bottom line. Let's cook. Normally, this sandwich would take anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. In the soda, 40 seconds. Find the category, find the item, and you're done. Now, as in all of our ovens, the soda comes programmed with a variety of menu items and can be customized to fit any menu. The sandwich is ready. Beautifully toasted sandwich. Just dressed. A little mayonnaise, some tomato, and some lettuce. Beautifully toasted sandwich in 40 seconds. For assistance, you can search through our online cookbook at TurboChef.com or contact our team of certified TurboChef chefs for culinary support at chefs@TurboChef.com. They will gladly assist you.